Hello and welcome to Humphrey's Kitchen. Today we're making some enchilada sauce. Some call it red chili sauce. Whatever you call it, it's super simple and delicious. The recipe will be in the description. Let's start by deseeding our chilies. You don't have to get all of them. We'll strain the sauce at the end. Give them a rinse if they're dirty. Once that's completed, we'll lightly toast our dried chilies in a warm pan set on medium-low to low. This doesn't take long. A few seconds on each side will do. Please don't burn them. Take your time with this. You don't want to ruin your sauce before you've made it. Once all the chilies are lightly toasted, let's slowly boil them with our onion and garlic. Now that those ingredients have boiled for 15 to 20 minutes, we can add them to the rest of the ingredients and mix them in a blender. Now would be the time to add tomato paste or tomato sauce for a more tomatoey enchilada sauce. We don't add tomato to ours because we use this as a base for an adobo sauce. Mix until smooth or to the consistency you want. Add more liquid if need be. Adjust for salt to your liking. For us, we needed just a tad bit more salt. Once all the ingredients are blended well, we'll strain them through a wire sieve. This does take a few minutes, but nothing you can't handle. Don't forget there's a lot of sauce on the bottom of the sieve. We don't want to waste any of it. We hope you enjoy this sauce. If you like, add other ingredients to change it up, like tomatoes. That's what cooking is all about, making it your own. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, please take care.